This tutorial will walk you through how to configure Google Structured Data in VPCart 9. Firstly, log into VPCart Admin Panel, and go to Modules, Modules Manager, from top menu. Locate module with name, Structured Data, and click Edit icon. Do you want to enable Google Structured Data module? Set to Yes. Leave the fields with name, default author name, as blank, and fill up the other details like Facebook profile, Instagram profile, etc. Under Products, Categories, Page Manager, News Manager, etc. you can find Google Structured Data section, and the corresponding details can be modified. Click Update Record button. For updating Google Structured Data for products, go to Store, Products, from top menu. Click Edit button, against the product record. Scroll to bottom of the page, to View section, Google Structured Data. Click Edit button, to update the value for each field, if required. Once you have set up this, Google will auto-crawl each product pages, content pages, etc. for the required information. Click Update Record button. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.